let's get started. Take your iPhone 5 and your alcohol prep pad and clean off the screen. Next, take your wipe and dry off the screen. Just to make sure it's really clean, take your sticker to remove the dust. Make sure there are no dust particles on the screen. You're ready for the last step. So take your number 1 side of the sticker, and this is actually really important to make sure that no dust gets on the screen. So make sure you're handling the outside of the screen and pull down. Be really careful with this step. Line up the outside of the screen to the phone. And then take your finger from the middle and draw a line. Now, just to make sure there are no bubbles, take the phone and press out. When there are no bubbles, take your sticker and pull. Now you're ready to use your iPhone 5.